6 winning products you should be selling this February. I don't want to just claim that these products are winning products that have the potential to make 5 up to 6 figures every month, but I also want to show you the evidence by showing you guys the data. I'll be showing you the sales data and order trends for these products. Then I'm going to be showing you the store traffic of stores who are currently selling these products. That way you can gain a competitive edge over your e-commerce and dropshipping competitors by checking out their analytics a little bit. So let's get started with product number 1. Product number 1 is this underwear shaper for women. First of all, do you know any women who like to look a little bit slimmer? I personally know a lot. For most women, I personally know their weight and also their physical appearance is a strong and very sensitive pain point. And that's exactly the pain point or the problem that this product is trying to solve. I mean, check out this AliExpress video. I think you can even use this as an ad creative because it's so good. Next to that, this product is extremely popular and is getting a lot of good reviews, which means that people have a clear buying interest in this product and that it's working. Our product analysis doesn't stop here. So let's say you're serious about selling this particular product. Then I want you to click on the first link in the description and it's going to lead you to a Chrome extension called Koala Inspector. And if you open any Shopify store, you can simply activate the Chrome extension and the dashboard is going to look like that. With this free and amazing Chrome extension, you can spy, analyze, and track your competitors. If you click on My Shops, you can track all of your competitors as long they are Shopify stores. For instance, I'm tracking the leather jacket brand Bodaskins here. And if I click on View Changes, I'm getting notifications about any new products that they're adding, about new variants, and about any price changes. And obviously, this is such an amazing way to stay on track with any updates or any changes that your competitors are doing. And if I click here on products, I'm able to get all sorts of information about products in the store, and I can even export all 306 products of the store in a CSV file to get an overview. In the new products tab, I can see all the latest products that the store is adding. For instance, the latest one was added Friday, January 21st, and it's this ripped seamless bodysuit. And guys, my favorite feature in the product section is this bestseller feature because that allows you to see all the best-selling products of the store. For instance, for this particular store, I can see that the Smart Fit Curves Post Op Mids whatever is the best-selling product of this store, and it was added on Tuesday, December 4th, 2018. Also, I can see that this product is available in 20 different variants, and if I click on this link right here, I'm getting redirected to the product itself. If I click on this little heart symbol next to a product right here, I can save it under favorite products, so I'm getting informed about all the latest updates regarding this product. Underneath, there's this Find Retailers section. If I click on it, I will see all the different retailers for this specific product. And this provides you with such an amazing overview about all of your competitors. Next, we can analyze the traffic of this particular Shopify store. Just click on Shop Traffic and you will see the monthly visits that this Shopify store is getting. And this store is getting a ton of visitors. On its peak last year in October 2021, this store almost got 3 million visitors, and that's seriously a ton of traffic, and this means that this store is making some serious money. Especially if you're looking on one product stores, this traffic tool is extremely useful because if a one product store is getting a ton of traffic, this means that this advertiser spent a lot of money to get traffic to his website in order to promote his product. We are getting even more data about the traffic, so we can see the different traffic sources of the store. The main ones are search with 35% and direct with almost 50%. If I hover over this countries chart, I can see that most of the traffic with almost 96% comes from the United States. What I also love is that you can spy on the Google Ads campaigns because this allows you to analyze the specific keywords that the store is using for its Google Ads campaigns. And I can guarantee you that a store like this with millions of visitors every month knows exactly what you're doing, so you can learn from them and spy on the Google Ads strategy that this store is using. Also, I think that this store is looking really nice, really professional. And if I would like to know what kind of Shopify apps and what kind of theme the store is using, just click on structure. Koala Inspector will tell you right away which Shopify theme this store is using. In that case, it's the production theme. Underneath, you can even see what kind of Shopify apps this store is using. And if you like one of them, you can simply go down to app discounts because Koala Inspector provides you with discounts on so many different Shopify apps. Overall, I think Koala Inspector is such an amazing, such a useful tool to analyze and to keep up to date with your competitors. And the great thing is there's a free version available, so simply click the first link in the description. Product number 2 is this cell phone light ring. As you guys can see, I'm using a light ring by myself to record my videos because if you have good light, you look so much better on video and the video itself looks so much better as well. This light ring is not as big as the one that I'm using right now to record this video. It's a really small one that you can easily carry in your pocket and bring it pretty much anywhere. You can easily attach this tiny light ring on your phone to record videos or take selfies during the night or when you have bad light. But check out the ad creative that I found on TikTok for this product to see it for yourself. Next we have the car LED light. This product works is that you attach these LED strips anywhere in your car, and that way you can really create some ambiance in your car. Some car brands such as Mercedes already have these LED lights by default in their cars. However, if your car doesn't have it, it's no problem. You can simply attach these LED strips in your car to create a really nice atmosphere, especially by night. And right here we have a store who's selling all kinds of different ambient lights for cars, and if I want to figure out which is the best selling one, I just open Koala Inspector, click on bestsellers, and I get an overview over the best selling items of the store. And if I want to figure out if the store is doing well, if it's making a lot of money in revenue, I can simply do this by clicking on shop traffic, click load traffic data, and I can see that this store is getting a lot of traffic, which means that this store is making money at a profitable rate. The traffic for the store is not as huge as the one for the underwear store because that was a bigger company. However, I strongly believe that this car ambient light store is run by one person or just very few people, and it seems like it's working really well for them. Sell this product for $30 on AliExpress, you get it for $10, so expect to have a margin of around $20. Next product of today's video is this temperature LED shower head. I think this is an amazing problem-solving product because it avoids that you have to step into the shower and scream because the water is either too hot or too cold. You can simply check the water temperature by looking on the LED because it tells you the temperature, and it even changes its color if the water is too hot or too cold or just fine. What I also like about this product is its margin, because people sell this product for $50 on AliExpress, you get it for $19, so expect to have a margin of around $31. The product of today's video is this face slimming device, and honestly guys, whenever I'm seeing products like that, I'm always really skeptical if they actually work. And that's why I would definitely recommend you guys to always read reviews before you start selling a product to see what people are actually thinking about this product, or in that case, if this product actually works or if it's just some BS. And to be honest, I was actually really surprised when I read the reviews for this product because most of them are really positive. As you can see on AliExpress, this product has almost 500 reviews and most of them are 5 stars. In addition, the amount of orders that this product is getting is quite impressive because it has more than 2,000 orders, which is really nice to see. People sell this product for $42 on AliExpress, you get it for $18, so expect to have a margin of around $24. Hit the like button and subscribe. I see you next time.